Selena, are you a sexy kitty? Huh? She walks away. Not talking to you! Talking to the cats. Hi, Pancake, you're sexy, right? Yeah. You're sexy. You looking for treats? Maybe later. You want some turkey later? Huh? Want some turkey later? I'm actually roasting a turkey today because I had an extra one. So. Hi kitty cats! So today is Vlogmas day 13 and I've got Sinfulkitkat with me right now. We're gonna do Ipsy bags and she made us hot cocoa. Let's see. So yeah, now he's thinking about Jack now. He was all relaxed up there, but now he sees us like eating something. So he thinks,
not good for you, Jack. Mine's peppermint.
Wow.
I put a peppermint candy cane in.
Yeah, I don't like peppermint in mine. No, Jack. No. You stay there.
Do you want me to grab him?
I have to. So she's gonna grab him and take him out of the room because regularly I wouldn't care if he jumps down here too much, but we've got like hot drinks. I don't want him hurting himself.
And he's a very old cat. So.
Or knocking the drinks down and us getting hurt too. Like, that would be bad. So. Oh my god. He's like clinging to her. Does not want to have to leave.
He doesn't want to leave. So. He wants to stay and join us.
So who's gonna go first?
I'll go first.
Okay.
So that way if the battery runs out.
I can just finish it by myself.
Yeah.
So the bags are really, I don't know. They're cute, but they're kind of cheap.
They're really flashy. They're cheap feeling. I don't like the cheap feelingness.
And they're definitely holiday looking with all the sequins.
The holidays aren't cheap. Be merry, be bright, be bold, be you.
Be cheap.
Yes, they forgot the be cheap.
I mean, we have to be cheap.
Now the first contestant.
Our holidays are cheap because we don't have any money.
A brush.
Yay, brushes.
It's my brush.
What company is it? Did you see?
It's.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's really hard to read. Farah. It's a Farah brush. I never heard of that before. But that's like a really nice, like you could use that for the crease to blend out. If you want like a big, it's like a big brush for blending actually. But I would use it for that.
Kiss and mink. Smink.
Kiss a smink. Kiss and smink. What
The
is
bottom says the color, I think.
Oh, but don't you want to like, there. Oh, it's
A blush.
it looks like it's like a lip and blush thing. And the color Tulum.
Tulum.
Trying to, there, yeah, it's like a
It's
blush and
also
blush
vegan.
tone. And it's vegan. Not that you're gonna eat blush, but okay.
But is it cruelty free?
Probably. If it's vegan, I suspect it's cruelty free.
Next thing you
I mean,
know,
that wouldn't make any sense.
Yeah, for a moment I read it wrong. I read never tasted on animals. I know you were talking about the hot chocolate, but it totally sounded like something else. It's
Okay.
like, I love tasting on animals.
I love tasty blush on animals.
Well, there goes a bunch of reports on this video. Catherine, natural cosmetics, cruelty free.
You're getting like cruelty free stuff.
Gluten free.
That's pretty. That's a pretty eyeshadow.
Confidence, strength, courage.
Oh, show it to him.
Seen as highlight?
Right up there. See what pretty color? That's a very pretty holiday color. Could put on your lid.
I hate when it gets all blurry.
Yeah, it focuses again.
Tint.
Tinct. Like a Tinkerbell.
Well, guess what? It's vegan and cruelty free. But tested on animals, no.
Okay. It'll be terrible.
What are you? Oh, it's for nails?
It's nail polish. Yeah, nail lacquer.
What's nail
It's like
lacquer?
a creamy color. Not really my style, but.
Tint. Dr. Lip, I think.
Yeah, Dr. Lip tint. In sweet potato pigment. Oh, with sweet potato pigment. That's.
It's not focusing well today.
Not when it goes back.
There we go.
Sometimes you have to do little tricks like that. Okay, so is that yours?
No.
Oh, you still got another one. I think they put an extra one in for Christmas this year. I think everybody got like, instead of like 5, they got like 6 or something. I don't know. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's the 6th object. They gave extra this Christmas. Are you enjoying that? Can I look at it? It's Ciate London Glitter Flip in the color Infamous.
It doesn't smell like vanilla or cake.
She wants everything to smell like sweet bakery products.
Sure. Well, bread's a bakery product.
That's nice. That's a pretty color.
And it's Infamous.
So, I got the same bag, of course.
I'm so sorry for you.
It just, yeah, it feels not the best. But you know what? They're just little makeup bags. I'm not like gonna get mad over it or anything.
As for me,
Yeah, she gets all upset.
I like to collect
There's
nice.
the card. And I've got the same brush. The Farrah brush.
Wait. Yeah,
Same brush.
probably the same.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's exactly the same brush. It's very soft. Put it in there with my other brushes. And I got a second brush. It's a Luxie too. I love Luxie brushes. They're really good. She's not happy because I got 2 brushes. Ooh. This is also a kind of a blending, but it's more of a precision blending. Which I don't really, precision blending, I don't use that often, but I probably should. I've got Grace and Stella Dead Sea Mud Mask. Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend. I don't do mud masks that often. I like peel off masks a lot more, but mud masks can be nice. So that's cool. That's cool. What else we got? Oh, some First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Those would be nice. First Aid Beauty is really good. So that's cool. Put them in here for toning. And We've got stuff's coming everywhere.
I hate a marshmallow weird.
I got the Superhero IT mascara. Mascara IT. I always want to say IT. Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara.
96%.
I don't think I've used the Superhero before, but I've heard good things about it. So
96%.
yes. So we'll see how that goes. And one more thing. This is I'm Not Missing Out Frozen Lipstick. I actually heard about this.
Oh, that's pretty looking.
It's like red and gold. The color's called Runway Red, and it looks gold on the outside, but then it's red. So the gold is supposed to like mix in a little bit. So really, I think it'll be really nice for the holidays, and I will probably be wearing it.
I'll probably steal it, but I'll make sure I wipe it before I steal it.
Stealing my things. I'm gonna put that right.
What
Oh,
am
it doesn't
I not
fit.
stealing your things?
Yeah, I know. This is what happens when you have
A
teenage
child.
daughters and you're a mom and you like makeup. They like steal all your makeup.
It's the same with just an ordinary child, too. I've seen those commercials with kids playing with lipstick.
That's true. Boys like to play with lipstick too. So yeah. So that was our Ipsy bags. I'm not getting Glossybox anymore. For the time being. Or Julep. Or really anything. Until life becomes a little more affordable. I mean,
But we're still getting Ipsy.
yeah. Because Ipsy's pretty inexpensive and I want to keep something. So
We want to keep this going.
we're keeping our Ipsy bags so we can have like little samples of makeup to try out. And of course, you've probably already seen my giveaway video from yesterday. If you haven't, there's a link down below in the information to go to my giveaway video and then go enter it so that you can get stuff, right?
Look how much I drank.
Yeah. So, she was thirsty. And it's a nice evening for a hot drink.
Especially when it's snowing out.
Where is the snow? I keep looking at the snow. I don't know what you're talking about. There's no snow.
Yes, there is. When I was walking down, it was snowing.
Well, it's not sticking, so.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Okay, we'll see about that in the morning.
Yeah, so. She just wants it to snow enough so that she doesn't have to go to school.
No, it's just snowing.
Anyways.
That's the main thing that's going on right now. It's snowing. Just because you can't see little specks of snow doesn't mean it's not snowing.
So, yeah. Go check out my giveaway. And, I guess I'm just gonna pull out the next thing now, since we're already here.
There's another thing.
Oh,
Oh,
my
yeah.
next advent calendar. So, number 13 is right here.
What's for number 13?
I think it's an eyeshadow.
Did you even open?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god, it doesn't want to come out. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. I don't want to knock over anything.
Don't knock over my
There you
hot
go.
cocoa that I work hard on.
Ugh.
I actually do work hard on my hot cocoa.
Number 13, NYX Sweet Chateau Eyeshadow in Cookie Cutter. It's a very, very pale pink eyeshadow. Probably a good transition, maybe. Or it could go on the lid too. It seems, yeah, it's very matte. Whoops. Very matte, very light. So, could be used for under the brow as well. She's just like, whatever. Okay, so that was today's little thing there. Alright, so this is probably going to be the whole vlog for today. So yeah, Vlogmas Day 13. Always remember to be kind, even when you want to slap them in the face. Happy holidays, kitty cats.